Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to delete an entire conversation on Zangi in 2026. So let's get started. First of all, launch open the Zangi application on a device, whichever device you are using, whether it is an Android or iOS. Now, make sure that you're logged into your Zangi account. Once you're in, go ahead and tap on one of the conversation thread from your chat screen. Simply press and hold on it and your chat will be selected. Now go to the top right corner and tap on the trash icon. Now, if you want to permanently delete the entire conversation with the other person as well, then check on this permanently delete also for the contact option. Remember, you need to be a premium subscriber in order to delete the conversation for the other person as well. If you are a premium subscriber, then you can tap on the delete button. If you are not, you'll need to subscribe to the premium version of Zangi in order to be able to completely delete the entire conversation on Zangi. If you're not a premium subscriber yet, tap on the subscribe to premium button as shown on the screen. So that's how to do it. Deleting an entire conversation on Zangi on both ends needs a premium subscription. If you are a premium subscriber, you will be able to delete it in just a few minutes. So that is it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.